Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? Welcome, welcome. I hope you are feeling good, looking good, because we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, in today's pick a card reading, we also have an all signs element, okay? And we'll do that later in the read. Okay, but in today's reading, we're exploring because we've been having a lot of, you know, not just female, but also a lot of male viewers. So we want to big up to all of you, okay? And we're going to explore what does he, she think of me, okay? So we're going to have an explore and see what's going on. Let's have a look and see what going. What guarantee? Deceivers, what guarantee? Deceivers, what guarantee? Welcome, welcome, welcome to Deceivers, yeah. So I hope you have your tea, your snacks, okay, or just some good tea, okay, as we gather these juicy, juicy intuitive gems. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome. Big up yourselves. To our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up. You the done know, the done know. Thank you to all of your love and support. So please do give us a like, give us a thumbs up, okay? I've been very unwell the last couple of weeks. So I want to thank you for all of your love and support, okay? Trying to get myself back into the swing of things, back into that routine, okay? So thank you for all of your love and support. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, okay? So you don't miss a beat around here, okay? So we're going to explore what does he or she think of me, okay? Because we've been having a lot of male interest lately into the reads, okay? And perhaps it could be cross watchers. So, you're more than welcome. We're going to, just open up the room a bit, okay? For these juicy, juicy gems to flow, okay? So, I hope you've got your tea. As before we get in, just get nice and comfortable, relax and unwind, okay? We operate on positive vibes around here, okay? Good vibration or energy, okay? So let's get straight into it with some good vibrational energy. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we are about to receive in today's reading. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time, because we're all about empowerment here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we have pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3. Okay, so go to that number that's calling you. Okay, but the energy that's coming through, it feels like collective, someone has a lot to say. Okay, I feel like, we are also approaching that energy of that Valentine's season. Okay, and I feel like it could be like someone who has a lot on their chest that wants to say how they feel. So we're going to see what wants to come through in today's read. And after the pick a card reading, we are going to move on to the all signs segment, okay? So hang on, because we're going to be heading on for a juicy ride, okay? With tarot, Jamaican proverbs, and some oracle messages. Ooh, wee, okay? So if you're not too sure, thinking, and you just want to read and just gather all of those juicy gems, okay, and just take what resonates, you're more than welcome. So we'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 1 and we're exploring what does he or she think of me? So are you new here? Welcome, welcome. Big up yourselves. Big up yourselves every time. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Thank you for all of your love and support. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea here, so you can feel nice and relaxed as we gather these juicy intuitive gems and see what juicy messages are in store for you. So hit that like button and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, let's see what's in store for the collective who chose pile 1. Okay, after we've done all the reads, we're going to move on to the all signs segment. So check your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay, and thank you to all of your love and support. Right, so let's have a look and see what's under the cards. We have, I'm afraid to lose you. I'm afraid to lose you. Now it's fallen on the energy. Okay, the numerical energy of pile 1. Okay, so there could be this energy that someone wants a new beginning. It could be, I feel like there could be like an it's like maybe something has come to a pause or an ending, and someone wants this energy to shift. So I feel like it could be somebody, this could be somebody. Take the message where it resonates. If it's like a crush, a current love interest, or perhaps someone who's been in separation, I feel like they want this energy between you both to shift. Okay, they want to be able to reach out, connect. I feel like it's also like having a conversation with you. Okay, and we have here, yes, we have the star. So there's definitely this energy. The star represents the energy of healing. Okay, it's a very strong Aquarius energy, and look at that. We are in the energy of Aquarius. So perhaps you could be dealing with somebody who's an Aquarius, or you could be an Aquarius. Okay, and I feel like it could, even just with the looking at the water, perhaps it could be a water sign you're also dealing with. Okay, or they have water and the Aquarius energy or air in their chart. But I feel like it's somebody who really wants a period of healing, or the union between you both to come to this place of healing, where I feel like it's this person wants to take accountability and move forward with that energy, accepting their wrongs, but also taking accountability of their wrongs and working together to heal and really reach out and express how they feel. But I feel like it's really they really want to come from a place of healing, and really hope that you feel the same way too. Okay, if there has been a separation or some sort, or it's been an ex, or I feel like for those who are seeing this message, it can also be perhaps you've been going through a period of healing, and you've been taking that time to just work on yourself, build on your self-love, your confidence. Okay, I feel like there's this strong energy coming through. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at the Jamaican proverbs, okay, and see what message wants to come through for the Jamaican proverbs. Let's have a look and see what's come through for the collective who chose pile 1. Okay, so what do they think of you? What does he or she think of you? Okay, if it wants to come through, yes, we have here, self-praise is no recommendation. I hope you can see that. Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, just moving my little toolbox because it's making a lot of noise. So self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, and that is the energy here of, don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Let others praise you. Now I feel like this Jamaican proverb coming through truly resonates what's going on here. It's not about taking an opportunity of saying, oh, I'm good at this, I'm that. It's about taking accountability. It's about taking ownership. It's about recognizing you're wrong. Okay, not just recognizing when you're right, but when you are wrong, and taking that upon yourself to say, you know what, I could have been better. I could have done better. I'm sorry. Okay? I feel like that word sorry is the word that kind of is the overriding kind of energy that's coming through here. Someone who is really feeling or and recognizing. I feel like it's like they're going through a period of growth and recognizing for them to move in life or to step up and come like develop this energy of maturity. They have to be able to accept their wrongs, not just be praising or being boastful around when they're good. Okay, and I feel like this is where the energy is coming through of having this conversation, and it could be a conversation where perhaps, and take this where it resonates, where self-praise is no form of recommendation, is that you can't just rely on the self-praise like, oh yeah, I'm good at this, I'm good at that, but also how is that energy perceived by others around you. And specifically, as we are exploring in this tarot love reading, how is this energy perceived by the ones that you care about or that you have a love interest for? Okay, and I feel like this is the energy. It's really about taking ownership. Okay, with the star, wishing on that star, hoping for better. Okay, wanting to do better, the desire to do better, be better. Okay, is really coming through in the reading. Okay, so we're going to look with the good karma, look into with the good karma tarot and see what wants to come through for the collective. Okay, and forgive because the camera is shifting a bit. Okay, but I'll just try to shift it a little bit. Okay, can we see better? Yeah, okay. All right, thank you. So we're just gonna have a look here and see. Can we have an additional message, please, for the collective who chose pile 1? What does he or she think of me? Ooh, what does he or she think of me? We've got some cards that have tried to slip in there. Forgive me. What does he or she think of me? Okay, what does he or she think of me? Ooh, we have the Hangman. Yeah, so this is the energy. It's this kind of sitting, waiting energy. Okay, and look at this. We just say it could be a water energy. This is the energy of the Pisces coming through. Okay, with the hangman, the hangwoman. So there's definitely this energy of someone who is thinking, and I feel like it's an energy of, with the hangman, hangwoman. Perhaps this person has been also taking that time to work on themselves. Okay, because the yoga position is really coming to mind. So I feel like it could be an energy of someone's taking time to work on themselves. As they've taken time to work on themselves and become more confident in themselves, their self-love, I feel like it's opened an enlightenment moment for them. Okay, when it's in this position, the upright position, it represents there's a kind of like a period of enlightenment. There's a period of like an awakening. Something has kind of like finally clicked, and I feel like what's finally clicked is this person's realizing, you know what, I might have all these things, I might be really good at this, but there's some things about me that may have been holding me back, especially when it comes to union or relationship, and I want to be using this time to be working on that so I can be a better. I feel the message that keeps coming through is that I want to be better. I want to be the better person. Okay, I want to be the better partner. I want to be that better husband. I want to be that better boyfriend. I want to be that person that, and I feel like this person is like, they want you to see them in that light. They want you to see them as the star when you look at them. Okay, it feels like it is definitely somebody who is going through a period of maturity. It feels like a period of growing up. It feels like someone who may have been a bit immature is now taking that opportunity to say, you know what, I want to do more. I want to be better. and I hope that you can give me the chance. I hope that you can see, or even if it's just like on talking terms and then building that trust. I feel like this is what this person is really hoping for. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and the middle and the back of the deck. Yes, we have the Hermit. Look at what's behind the Hermit is the King of Swords. So there's definitely this energy of clarity coming through. Okay, we also have the Moon again. Okay, so we have that Pisces energy coming through. Okay, so there's definitely this person's in their feelings deep. I feel like perhaps deep they can be sensing you intuitively. Okay, and we have here, look at this, the King of Cups, the King of Cups. So it's definitely an energy of someone who is stepping up and like really kind of maturing into their own. Okay, this new energy of number one is coming through. Someone who is taking this energy, saying, right, I want to be more mature. I want to have a more grown up attitude, or when it comes to my love life, when it comes to my relationships, I want to build that security. Okay, let's have a look and see what's significant at the middle. Yes, we have the Queen of Swords. So we saw the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. So perhaps you could be dealing with somebody who might come from a different culture or different background as you. I feel like it could also be that, because we've seen a lot of the masculine and feminine energy coming through in the read. So it could also be someone, okay, take it where it resonates, whereas perhaps there might be a little kind of apprehension of, will this person receive me if I try to talk or try to have a conversation? Because we can see with the Queen of Swords, it's kind of like, if we see with the Queen of Swords, and I feel like here the Queen of Swords can maybe look, can look a bit intimidating with the sword in the hand, but I feel like the message is saying, look closely, you can see that there is love there. Okay, but I feel like it's going to perhaps take time to help the Queen of Swords, okay, the energy that's displayed as the Queen of Swords, to really, okay, let me see what you're really about. Okay, because I feel like that's what the Queen of Swords is looking for, because we have here the King of Swords here. So look at that, the King of Swords, the King of sword is down, and I feel like the sword being down is representing the energy of, I'm more grounded now, I'm more stable now. When you met me before the Queen of Swords, I wasn't that stable, and I can understand with your hand on your waist, it's kind of giving that energy of, we've been here before, but now my eye, look at the eye, okay, representing that clarity, that energy of intuition. I've matured. Do you see those flowers? Those flowers are representing that energy of growth. That this king, this masculine energy coming through, has matured, has developed. Again, take it where it resonates, whether it's a feminine energy or a masculine energy. But there's been an energy of perhaps the time apart, or having time to think, having time to kind of, and the message that's coming through is perhaps there could have been a conversation, or somebody in the situation not seeing something until it came to the point where it can no longer be unseen. It's like they've come to that realization. They think of the Hangman, okay, and there's been this growth. Okay, things are getting clearer. Look at the clouds and the color of the clouds. Okay, things are getting a lot clearer, a lot brighter. Okay, whereas with the Queen of Swords, it's kind of a lot more darker colors, but I feel like that's the energy it's kind of representing in this read, of someone who's now coming to the song that's coming through is "The storm is over, storm is over." Oh, okay. Rewind, rewind, rewind. We have rewind moments, okay? The storm is over now. Okay, the storm is over now. The storm is over now. But I feel like they really hope, with the moon being here, right next, being here, okay, that you both can overcome this energy, okay? Both can overcome this energy. But I feel like intuitively, the moon is saying that you are both connecting to one another's. I feel like it's like late night thoughts, day thoughts. I feel like there's a lot of daydreaming, a lot of wondering, okay, with the hermit being here as well, wondering how you will both receive one another, okay? Can we both come out of this period and engage and talk? Just talk, okay? I feel drawn to pull again from the middle because look, yes, look at this. This is, I feel like this is a deep, this could be a mutual feeling between you both, with the Five of Cups being here, because we have the Two of Cups, and I feel like the Five of Cups is like representing this energy of someone's looking back at the past and looking at things, and I should have done this. Now I realize, again, look at that light. This love and light energy is coming on this person. They are starting to there's an energy of like this person is waking up, okay? But there is still love here with the Two of Cups. There's love here for both parties involved, okay? There is the moon that is in between this energy. They're both their thoughts and feelings, but look what's behind. Look what's behind the moon card. The lovers. The lovers. So there's definitely this energy of love being here. The lovers can also represent, with the energy of 6, balance, harmony, making choices, making options, okay? And this, I feel like the option here is, can you both overcome these thoughts and feelings? So to the collective who chose power 1, we are going to leave it here, but take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. Okay, I say go, darling. This simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, I say go. Okay, so take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, and do have a look at our all signs for some more juicy, intuitive gems. All right, see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan, tea sippers. Wagwan, me generals. So we have pile 2, and we're exploring, what does he or she think of me, okay? What does he or she think of? So what do they think of me, okay? So if you are new here, welcome. Big up yourselves. And to our subscribers, big up every time. So I hope you got a nice cup of tea, okay? I'm sipping on some peppermint tea. So let us know what you're sipping on. Put it in the comments down below. And do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for some more juicy content. So thank you for all of your love and support. I've been unwell for the last couple of weeks. Steady, ready, steady. Okay, we're getting ourselves back into that routine of uploading consistently. So thank you for your love and support. And let's get straight into this read and see wagwan. We are also going to be doing a all sign segment at the end of all the pick a card readings. So do have a look and see what's in store for your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay, let's see wagwan. We have your Absence is a constant reminder of what I lost. Now, take this where it resonates. It could be a crush, it could be a current love interest, it could be someone that you've been in a separation with. Okay. But I feel like someone is like looking at the situation with you as a missed opportunity. It has fallen on pile two. Excuse me. It feels like a lot of I feel like there's someone I feel like the energy is coming through is like someone who might be burping, okay, or has a lot of gas, okay, or I feel like it could be like an energy of nervousness coming through because it seems to be kind of coming through in this read, okay? Even that slight pause of feeling or wanting to burp, okay? But I feel like there's an energy here that someone is feeling a bit rocky, okay? Someone's feeling a bit rocky, someone's feeling a bit wobbly. I feel like they have so much to say. I feel like this person the energy is almost like, oh, I could just kick myself because I wanted to say this. I should have said this. And now you have gone or you have left thinking that I didn't feel this way. There's definitely this energy that's coming through. Like someone has a regret energy. There was a similar energy in pile one, but it definitely feels like someone who is really having this kind of insight of thinking, oh, why? I feel like this person may have done this before, but I feel like it could be, again, which originally came through, this energy of nerves. I feel like this person may really struggle with like appearing confident. However, sometimes when they do try to appear confident, it can either come across very arrogant or very detached, um, or the word coming across is dismissive. But it's not what they. It's almost like this person does the complete opposite of what they are really want to try and convey, or the message that they really want to put out there. It's not the message, and it gets kind of distorted, leaving their love interest in this kind of like confusion energy. But it's not the energy that they really want to put out. But it's not real. I feel like what this person hasn't realized, and I feel like they've come to some realization of it, that they haven't realized that they were kind of giving some kind of mixed messages energy, and that mixed messages energy is what was creating this kind of puzzlement energy, this energy of confusion, this energy of nerves, okay? This energy of kind of fight or flight energy coming through. But there's definitely this energy of someone's realizing, okay, or recognizing your worth, recognizing what you've meant to them, okay? The tarot we have the Knight of Cups. We have the Knight of Cups. Someone wants to wine and dine you. We are in that Valentine's season, that that energy of love where it can resurface memories of love or love interest, back to on the surface of our hearts. And this person is thinking about you a lot. They care about you. They have a lot of love and affection. Do you see the horse? And that horse and the way it's kind of like bowing its head down, it's representing this energy of that nerves. It's almost like the song that's coming through is Fantasia, When I See You. Okay, I get so weak, I get so nervous, I stutter on myself, I can't even remember my own name. This is the energy that's really coming through. But again, it may appear as if they aren't interested when in actual fact they are. But I feel like this person realizes that they've had, when it comes to confidence and nerves, it has many times taken the it has kind of taken the best of them. Okay, but look what's here, strength. So there, I feel like the strength, there's like an inner strength that's really coming through. and it's kind of pushing them. Okay, but I feel like the inner strength. Okay, if we see what's going on with the strength card, and perhaps with the Knight of Cups being here and the strength, we've got a major arcana here. It could, perhaps you could be doing it. It could be a fire and water energy coming through. Okay, there was a fire and water energy in pile one. Doesn't have to be, but perhaps they are moving with that energy, okay, right now. But I feel like the energy that's really coming through with the strength card being here is the sacral chakra. Okay, I feel like the sacral chakra, the energy of creativity, the energy of drive, the energy of motivation, okay, is really pushing this energy to come through. For them to take this energy to say, look, I've got to come out of my comfort zone. My comfort zone is not helping me. My comfort zone is actually sabotaging me. This person's comfort zone is to stay in that nervous energy, almost to the point that they talk themselves out of things, talk themselves out of love, talk themselves out of applying for that job, talking themselves out of seeking that career that they desire, talking themselves out of going out, talking themselves out of trying something new, talking themselves out of even trying a nice meal that could be something that is very unfamiliar to them. This love energy that has come towards them has shifted this energy, and it's asking them to take pride in trying something new, to take pride in embracing this energy. And the energy, even if this person is not with you, I feel like it shifted them to this realization of saying, I've got to come out of this, because now I can look back at this experience, and realize there's a common denominator here. And this is what this person's realizing. They're realizing a lot of the situations have always been, it was them who was sabotaging. It was them who was trying to ignore or trying to avoid. And I feel like there's a message from the universe, especially with the strength card, saying you can't do this anymore, love. You can't do this no more, love. Auntie self-love wants to come through. Sometimes auntie self-love just comes through when there's a message that the collective need to hear right now. Message from auntie self-love. Yes, darling. How are you? You alright? Darling, you can't do this to yourself no more. Stop self-sabotaging. You have to stop it. It's not helping you. It's not making you feel good. It's not making you feel better. All it is doing is making opportunity after opportunity just run from you. Darling, you have to stop it. Because goodness is coming your way. But if you is closed off, darling, nothing can come in and nothing not come out. So you have to stop it, yeah? You have to stop it, darling. You have to stop it. Thank you, Auntie Self-Love. You're welcome, darling. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. So what Auntie Self-Love was simply saying, we have to stop this energy of self-sabotaging, because if we get in this energy of self-sabotaging, we're not allowing anything good to come in, and we're not allowing the good to come out. In order for us to receive, and this Knight of Cups is really kind of telling that this person is coming to that point where they are now open. They are now making it. Oh, and look at the energy as well with the opening the lion's mouth. They're now learning and becoming open to receive, but also open to give, because love is a two-way street. Again, okay, the cards don't lie, the numbers don't lie. It's falling on pile 2 for a reason. it's a two-way process. And this person is now coming to this energy of realizing I've got to be open to receive and to be able to give. I feel like this person may have closed themselves in the past because they may have give, and it's resulted to them feeling used and abused, and kind of perhaps as a protective measure close their heart chakra to say, you know what, I've been here and I don't want to be hurt again. However, the journey of love and the journey of being in your own authentic truth, you know, we might go through some hurdles here and there, but it's through strength. We build that inner strength, okay? We build that resilience, that confidence. And that confidence, that motivational energy is pushing this energy to say, step up. Even if there is still a bit of shyness coming through, still a bit of this kind of prudish energy coming through. But this person is moving with this new energy to say, you know what, I'm going to. Because if you look here, the hand is still on the by the waist. Okay, so think of the solar plexus. It's like I'll just show you for example the sacral chakra, and we have the color yellow of the solar plexus. Okay, so located in the stomach region, and the sacral is located in the sexual reproductive region. Okay, so think of that. That's like new. So think of that energy pushing this confidence to come through, because the confidence is there. It's just been hidden, and this energy of opening that lion's mouth is representing that energy of that energy's been shifted. This energy is changing. Okay, this person is now realizing I have to come out of that come out of that energy. Okay, and they've realized they've been here before. They've been here before, and they want to stop doing that to themselves because they've held themselves back. And it's as Auntie Self Love put it, you got to stop doing that because it's hurting you. Okay, you may have tried to do it as a protective measure. Okay, and maybe for that time it was understandable. Okay, but now you are healed. Now you are grown. Now you have matured. Now you've experienced more in life, and now you realize, you know, you might do some due diligence or look out for signs or things like that. Okay, is this person really interested? Is this person really the message that's coming through? Is this person really serious about long-term commitments, relationships, marriage, etc.? Okay, and let that be your guide, rather than shutting down any interest that comes through. Okay. So let's have a look at the good karma and see what messages from the good karma wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. So can we have some messages, please, for the collective who chose pile 2? What do they think of me? What does he or she think of me? Let's see what wants to come through for the collective. Lots of juicy, intuitive gems coming through, collective. Ooh-wee. Yes, look at this. It's come out in the reverse position as well. We have the 8 of Swords, but I feel like this is the energy that this person has been in for a long time. Okay? Trying to shut themselves up. Okay? Their heart, their heart chakra. Let's have this again. So we have the heart chakra, we have their crown. Okay, so think of their crown, think of their third eye. Okay, located in this area. So it's like locking everything away. Okay, so they're not seeing anything, not hearing anything. Okay, their root. So the root chakra represents their security, and this is the way in this way. It's kind of like they might be using this as a tool to kind of protect themselves. Okay, protecting it, protecting themselves this way. Then we have the throat chakra, okay? So that's like the communication, trying to talk, the heart representing the energy of letting those feelings in and to give as well those feelings. And we have the sacral, okay, representing the sexual reproductive. So there's a lot of, and the solar plexus, okay, representing the confidence in the stomach area. So we can see that they are not giving much away. They're not giving much away, and it's been holding them back. But it's turned this way. It's turned this way. So this is like, look, it's starting. Things are starting to unravel. All of those things that they've bound themselves up. Okay, it's starting to unravel. Okay, even the sword is starting to cut through all of those bandages that they've tried to wrap themselves around. Okay. And it's coming to that realization, I can't do this to myself no more. I can't do this to myself no more. And also there's an energy, okay? I feel like it's also an energy from spirit. It's also an energy that's saying, look, you can't do this anymore. And we may give you that little boost of energy to help you to see. If you look at seeing what's going on, that reddish energy, okay? Orange energy coming through as well to say, look, yeah, you gotta let this go now. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and at the back. You look, the world. We have the world here representing experience, representing opportunities, okay? Growth. So this is this energy, and 21. Yes, the world, I believe, is number 21 of the major arcanas. Let's put those numbers together. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So this represents the energy of growth. It's like the world represents the energy of growth and expansion. The world represents how there's so many opportunities out there. When you might be dwelling on one opportunity that may not have worked out, don't close yourself to other opportunities. And I feel like this is what the key message is that's coming through in this read. Okay? And I feel like it's also a message that this person, and it's a message that we all need to hear, okay? If something doesn't work out, yes, it can be hard. It can be difficult, but you can overcome it. But don't close yourself to an opportunity that could be bigger, better than the one that was there before. You might be dwelling on something that was there before, that are on the past, but not realizing that what's coming towards you is exactly what you always truly wanted and desired. But that opportunity or that missed opportunity, and you might be holding on or still drawn or attached to certain things that you liked about that person, but not realizing that there could be someone here waiting who's bigger and better for you. Look what's here. The King of Cups. The King of Cups is here. And the King of Cups also was showed itself in pile 1. So I feel like there's an energy of, and again, masculine or whether it's a feminine energy, really coming through to say, you know what, there's going to be many opportunities of joy. Perhaps you might meet this person when you go out. Perhaps you may meet this person on an adventure. Okay, I feel like with that the watch being here, if you can see that watch, I feel like this person could also be not too far as well from you, okay? Or it's a matter of time, okay? Because look what we have here, the Empress. So there's definitely this energy of growth and expansion that's coming through, because the Empress represents that energy of growth and expansion. So I feel like it's definitely saying, you know what does he or she think of me? I feel like if there is an opportunity of where you're like, I really want this, I feel like they're saying, well, there's an opportunity here. You just gotta believe in yourself. You just gotta let yourself let it go. Let the past go, and don't let it hinder you. Okay? There could be also somebody who does care about you a lot, but I feel like there's also an energy of somebody who really wants to come towards you with a confident swag, okay? So take the message where it resonates. Let's have a look and see what's in the middle. Yes, we have the Page of Wands, okay? And we also have the Three of Wands. Look at that, the Page of Wands and the Three of Wands. So there's definitely, perhaps this person could be younger, or, okay, may not have, they may not be, or they can have a very young energy, okay? But I feel like this person with the Page of Wands and with the Three of Wands, there's definitely this energy of somebody who I feel like it's like they want to create a good challenge, try and maybe doing lots of things, doing different things. Again, someone who could be bigger and better than what you've experienced before, okay? Or wants to show you their world and let you in. Okay, I've just saw 22 on the while recording. So it's definitely this energy of somebody who wants to come into union with you, who's equally yoked. But I feel like there's a message of saying, are you going to be open to receive and give? Okay, give and receive. Okay, because with this, interestingly, this is about what does he or she think of me. But there's definitely this energy of saying, are you also open to it? So, collective, take the messages where it resonates and leave. Leave the rest. Asoika. Asoika is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, and do have a look at the all signs. Check your sun, your moon, and your rising. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, do it now. Okay, it's free. It's something really quick. And we just want to thank you for all your love and support, as it really helps. All the likes and all the subscriptions we get, it really helps the channel to grow. Okay. And we've been doing this for a while now. I really want to just grow with you all. So let's all grow together, okay? Big up yourselves every time. See you on the next one. Wagwan. Pile two. Forgive me. I just realized I forgot to add the Jamaican proverbs into your reading. So we're going to have a quick look, okay, and see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile two. What does he or she think of me? And then we're going to be moving on to the all signs. So please do have a look at the all signs. Check your sun, your moon, and your rising. Right. What does he or she think of me? We're using the Jamaican proverbs now. Okay. These looks like want to come through. So we have, you never see smoke without fire. But I feel like this wants to also come through. So we have, you never see smoke without fire. So I feel like this is kind of saying there's always an action and a consequence, or there's a reason behind certain things. Okay. And in your reading, there was that energy of this person needing to open up, coming out of their shell, come out their comfort zone. Okay. So actions can trigger problems. Okay. They can be deep rooted. Okay, feelings ignited. And I feel like this is what was coming through in your read, that those feelings were ignited, that it was creating this shift, that this person needed to come out of this energy. Okay, think of that lion's mouth. It was saying, right, I need to burst through and get myself to a more confidence energy. Okay, and we also have the finger never say look here, the finger say look yonder. So this is the energy of saying you got to look beyond to see the bigger picture. Okay, so looking at your faults, reflecting on yourself before criticizing others. Now, just as a little mini read from the tarot, we're gonna have a look. Are there any additional messages the tarot wants to give with in combination with the Jamaican proverb? What does he or she think of me? For the collective who chose pile two. For the collective who chose pile two. Yes. Look at this. This is what we have. So they want this energy of, I feel like it's an energy of serenity, an energy of peace, and an energy of working on oneself. I feel like, again, because we have feelings ignited, okay, romance. The romance energy experienced by you has triggered this energy to shift, to want to seek that balance, to have that ever flowing energy coming back and forth. So I feel like this could also be, I feel like this person could be a soulmate energy coming through. Okay. And they want, it's almost, it's like the energy has created this need to seek balance in their lives and created a light. I feel like it's also for them to connect with their inner child, for them to seek balance, okay, in all areas of their life. But I feel like perhaps this person could have been really good at certain areas in their life, but when it comes to the love, they may have tried to stay in that Eight of Swords energy, and it's saying no more. You've got to seek balance now. This is your time. This is an opportunity. This opportunity has arisen for you to seek balance in your life. Okay? So thank you to the collective. Big up yourselves. Okay? Just a little quick one because I realized that the Jamaican proverb wasn't was missing. And go do check your all signs as we're going to move straight onto it. Okay, so big up yourselves and wagwan. Okay, wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan me generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring, what does he or she think of me? So what do they think of me for the collective who chose pile 3? So if you are new here, welcome, 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 welcome. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Okay. So thank you for all of your love and support. I hope you have a nice cup of tea. Okay. I've been unwell for the last couple of weeks, but I want to thank you all for your love and support. So do give us a thumbs up and click on that subscribe. Okay, let's grow together. So thank you again for all of your love and support. So we're going to do the pick a card reading followed by the all signs. So do check your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay, all right. So let's get into these juicy intuitive gems and see what's in store for you. Take the messages where it resonates, okay, and leave the rest. All right, let's see. Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. And that's what we're going to explore today. We have the thought of losing you terrifies me. The thought of losing you terrifies me. Now, this feels like somebody, again, could be, take the message where it resonates, whether it's a crush, current love interest, or somebody from your recent past or separation. I feel like there's somebody who wants to make some kind of proposal, some kind of offer. Okay. I feel like it's somebody who, I feel like there could have been some time, apart. It could have been someone who has, I feel like this is somebody that you've had who has strong feelings for you. I feel like it could also have been perhaps feelings of maybe they may, this person, you may have dealt with this person, or you may have not, this person may, I feel like this person, you might have known that this person always liked you, but it may have not always been, it might have been, yeah, I know that they like me, but I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I feel like that's the energy that's coming through. Okay, but I feel like there's an energy because it's on pile 3 and it's the thought of losing. I feel like this person wants to step up and say how they feel, but I feel like it's like they want to give and there's an energy of like, can we be together for the long term? That's what this is the energy that's coming through. Let's have a look and see what's underneath the cards. We have the Ten of Cups. And we have this energy of the death. So I feel like the death and the Ten of Cups, there's this energy here of someone wants transformation. I feel like there could have been a period of the death, with the death representing this energy. Perhaps you could be dealing with someone who's a Scorpio here, okay, or water in the chart, because we have the cups energy, and the cups represents water energy. Okay, so think of Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There's definitely this energy of somebody who wants to, I feel like, put to bed what has been done in the past, but to not to just put it to bed and just be like, okay, we don't talk about it, we don't see it, we don't feel it, we don't, but actually, let's let's just let's just put this to bed and let's address everything. We're going to take accountability, we're going to take ownership, and now we're going to work on correcting. I feel like it could also be someone who wants to or has gone and done counseling or therapy, and I feel like there's a similar message coming through in Pile One. Someone who could have been like, right, I want to step up to the plate, and for me to step up to the plate, I've got to look at my ways. I've got to look at my habits. I realizing there were some habits that was helping me, and there were some habits that was actually at my detriment, and it was leaving me in this position. And now I just want to bring good energy. Like I feel like it's an energy of spring, okay? To water the plants, to bring everything back to life, okay? The song that's coming through is Soul to Soul. Back to life, back to reality, back to the here and now, yeah. So back to life, okay? Back to reality, back to the here and now with the Death card. And that here and now is them realizing it's you I want. It's you that I want. It is you that I want. It is you that I want. It is you. It is you. It's always been you. I feel like it's an energy of someone wants to make a confession to you. That's the energy that's coming through. Someone wants to make a confession. And it could be someone from the past. It could be somebody who sees you in that light and is drawn to you, attracted to you. Because there's an energy here. Okay. There's another song coming through by Mario. You say that I'm just a friend, okay? You say I'm just a friend. You say I'm just a friend, but I can't be your fantasy, yeah. But you say I'm just a friend, okay? You say I'm just a friend. I feel like this person wants to be more than friends with you. In fact, I feel like this person has been already visualizing what it'd be like if you were my wife, if you were my husband, what if we had children together, okay? Another song's coming through, Temptation by The Imagination. Just my imagination running away with me. Because I can see the lyrics, a house and a family, okay? Like this is what they're visualizing. The Ten of Cups is this energy, okay? Securing all of this love energy that you are able to build a life together, okay? And that life, coming with a home, okay? Building a home, building a family life together, having children, a dog, all these kind of things. This is what this person is seeing. And they really hope to have this with you. And we are exploring, what does he or she think of me? There is an energy of that they want growth with you. This was quite a straightforward read. This person that's coming through and is how they're feeling, they want growth with you. They want growth. However, I feel like there could be some of you that might be looking like, I don't know if I'm really ready for this yet. Okay? And that's coming through as well. And that's okay. But I feel like there's a message that there is somebody, and sometimes there could be somebody who wants something serious with you, and you might not be at that stage yet. However, I feel like this person is willing to like support on your journey, even if it's like having a conversation and confessing how they feel and saying, okay, you might not feel ready now, but just know that I'm here and this is how I feel about you. But where I want to be is for the long term. And if you are ready, let me know. Holla, give me that call. Let me know. I feel like it's somebody who's gonna give you that kind of like straight up talking. I feel like this person can be very direct, okay? And I feel like it's almost kind of gonna leave some of you feeling gobsmacked, like, oh my gosh, like, oh my god, like, oh my, they've just, oh my gosh. I feel like this. I feel like it's good. That's the energy that's coming through. Like, it's gonna be, oh my god, did they just tell me that? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, why didn't I see this before? Like, I feel like it's gonna be like these realizations coming through. Why didn't I see this before? Like the whole time I'm there saying I'm looking for this, I'm looking this, and the person was right under my nose. Okay? This is the energy that's coming through for the collective who chose power three. It's someone who wants growth and expansion with you. Okay? But it could also mean as well, collective, perhaps there's some things that you've got to put to bed as well. Okay? And I feel like it could be also this energy of a play energy, or, wanting to see how things go. I feel like it's also the energy of saying, well, look, there's an opportunity here for the long term. Explore it. Okay, don't just knock it. Give it a try, and see, get to know one another on a deeper level. So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb. Oh, I've just realized something just came to realization. I don't think I did a Jamaican proverb for pile two. So, we'll do one for pile two, but we're back onto pile three. So, can we have a Jamaican proverb for pile three, please? Goes to show you how I've been unwell. So I'm still trying to get back into that routine, child. Right. Message for pile three. Message for pile three. Message for pile three. Okay, what does he or she think of me? Message for pile three. What does he or she? Ooh, we got some strong energy here. We have. Look at this. One of my favorites. The bucket. Let's do the English first. The bucket are well with water. One day, if that bucket overflows with so much water, imagine this had so much water, it would just overflow. Now, this is representing this energy of this person's feelings. They can't contain these feelings that they have about you anymore. Okay? Now, in the Jamaican style, the bucket are well with water. One day, the bucket must drop out. Oh, rewind that. The bottom of the bucket, the bottom of the bucket must drop out because it can't contain all of that water. Now, the water is representing all those feelings. It can't contain it. Okay? Just like when somebody has feelings, eventually they're going to combust. They're going to burst. Okay? We'll keep it clean and classy now. Keep it clean and classy. Keep it clean. But the idea is eventually they can't contain these feelings anymore. And I feel like this is somebody who's coming through in this read collective, is someone who's been feeling like this for a long time. When they've been feeling like this for a long time, when they think about you. And I feel like it could be, they could have even been seeing you with another partner at the time, or even you pursuing other people and not realizing the whole time there was somebody by your side that truly and genuinely cared for you, and really hope that one day you will lock eyes and look at them the same way, how they feel about you. is this energy of feeling overwhelmed, stressed, okay? This is how they feel. They do feel stressed out. And I feel like sometimes they feel stressed out and like, oh, how do they not see me? How do they not see that like this is what I really want with them? I really hope one day. I feel like this person has also been praying that one day you will see them in that light. Let's have a look and see what the Good Karma Tarot wants the collective to know. What does he or she think of me? What do they think of me? What do they think of me? Look at this. We have the Queen of Cups and the Page of Coins. I feel like the Queen of Cups is your energy collective. And I feel like the Page of Coins, the Page of the Page of Pentacles, okay, is the person that cares their interests. I feel like it's almost like somebody. It's like they may tag along, be holding your books, holding your things, but you might just see them as that friend, but not realizing that friend. They're doing it because they care. They're doing it because they really like you. Okay? You may have known this person with this watch being here. You may have known this person for a while. Perhaps you've met them through a work setting, a study environment. Okay? But this person does feel for you a lot. Okay? But I feel like they're really hoping. But again, look at this. This energy is coming through with the Jamaican proverbs. Look at that. It's starting to get to the point where they're taking on too much. And trying to take on too much, those feelings are becoming more and more unbearable. But again, we're going to keep it clean and classy. Okay? Perhaps in the late night, they may find ways to try and deal with that. Okay? But in the day to day, they just try to have everything like everything's together. Yes, and I feel like with the energy of the Queen of Cups, that this energy is that you're very caring, but I feel like you might be seeing this person is in a loving way, like as a friend, like, no, it's one of my dear friends. I love this person to bits, not realizing that this person sees once more, okay, with you. And I feel like with the Page of Pentacles, perhaps this person, there could be an age gap here. It doesn't have to be. Or perhaps you might be seeing this person as somebody that who's been there around or in your life, okay? Or you might see them as family. But like this person, especially with the Pentacles coming through, is really giving this energy of someone who wants to set roots. The Page of Apprentice, okay, I would say is one of my favorite pages, because when you see this page means business, okay? And think of the Page of Pentacles as an apprentice. They are willing to take that time to go and learn, wanting to learn about the hobby or interest or their particular field that they have an ambition in, and they want to learn it. They want to read everything know, research, take their time so that they can then build their qualification, their experience, okay, and their resilience to become a King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles didn't become the King of Pentacles without being the page first, the Page of Pentacles. Okay, they started as an apprentice, and I feel like this is what this energy that's coming here is how they see you. They want to learn. They want to know how, they want to know what you like. They want to know what pleases you, what excites you, what gives you joy, so they can be that true partner, that supportive partner where you can build and grow together. But they're hoping that you may see them in that light. Okay? Look at this. We have the 10 of coins, the 10 of pentacles. So this is what, look at this. Look at that. We have the 10 of cups and we have the 10 of pentacles. This person means business. Let's see what's at the back. Look at this, the Two of Wands. We don't even need to look at any more cards. Collective, this person really hopes that they can be in your world one day. They really hope this. We have, look at this, the Fool. Are you going to take this chance? They might be feeling sometimes like, am I just playing the fool? What am I doing? Is there any hope here? But look at this, the Six of Wands. So this tells you that is, marriage success. They really want to have this success with you. Okay? And I feel like if you if if this person that has kind of warmed your interest and you take that time to get to know this person, I feel like there's an energy that it can blossom into something beautiful. Okay, something beautiful. Ooh wee, ooh la la. So take the message where it resonates and leave. You have to say it with power, collective. Leave the rest. Ooh, this was some juicy, juicy, juicy. But it's definitely giving proposal, marriage, long term. Okay, so put it in the comments down below. Let us know what's going on. Oh, come on, your girl's back. Put it in the comments down below. Yeah. All right, so do have a look at the all signs now. Okay, for some juicy, juicy, juicy. We're gonna just go straight into the oracles. Okay. So check your sun, your moon, and your rising, and we'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are on the all signs segment now. We have Aries, Gemini, Taurus, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. So we're going to explore some juicy, juicy, intuitive gems, okay? So take the messages where it resonates. We're exploring what does he and she think of me, okay? So we've got these key tags here. We're going to see what wants to come through, okay? So check your sun, your moon, and your rising. So we are going to start with Aries now, okay? So Aries, let's see what wants to come through for Aries. Message for Aries. What does he or she think of me? For Aries. 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 Oh, we have... Oh, here. Aries, we have... Your eyes speaks a language only my heart understands. Aries. You bring out the best in me. Aries, you bring out the best in me. Aries, I want to wake up with you. Oh la la. I want to wake up with you, Aries. Aries, you are in my late night thoughts. So if you've been wondering, is this person in my late night thoughts? Yes, they are. Or are they thinking about me? Yes, they are. Aries, I'm grateful for your forgiveness. So there's an energy of someone's grateful for your forgiveness. Okay? But I feel like it's also saying you're grateful, yes, for your forgiveness and also presence. So there could be an energy of someone who's very grateful of you being around you. Okay? So big up to Aries. Aries, check your sun. We've checked your sun, check your moon and your rising, okay? Right, we're moving on to Taurus now. Taurus, we're having a look at Taurus. Big up to Taurus. Now let's have a look and look at Taurus. Messages for Taurus. Messages for Taurus. What does he or she think of me? Messages for Taurus. Thank you, Taurus. We have here quite a few. Our love is a beautiful journey. Taurus, I can't resist the sweetness of your smile. Ooh la la. Taurus, I cherish our time together. Taurus, can I call you? Can I call you, Taurus? Taurus, Will you accept my call? So there's definitely an energy of someone wanting to know, will you accept their call? Will you accept the call? Taurus, you complete the puzzle of my happiness. You complete the puzzle of my happiness. Taurus, you are my forever love. So thank you to Taurus. Right, we're moving on to Gemini now. Gemini, we're going to check what does he or she think of me. Okay, so let's have a look for Gemini now. Messages for Gemini. Messages for Gemini. What does he or she think of me? Gemini, we have here, you are the love of my life. Gemini. Ooh la la. Gemini, your laughter fills my soul with joy. They love the way you laugh. Okay, Gemini. Gemini, you make my heart skip a beat. Gemini, your happiness means the world to me, Gemini. Gemini, our love story is my favorite. So I feel like they just admire everything about you, Gemini. Put it in the comments, Gemini. All right, moving on to Cancer now. Cancer, we're exploring what does he or she think of me. Messages for Cancer. Messages for Cancer. What does he or she think of me? Ooh, Cancer, we have, I'll always choose you. Cancer, I always choose you. Cancer, I want to create a lifetime of memories with you. Cancer, our connection is undeniable. Cancer, you are my heart's desire. Cancer, I love the way you look at me. Cancer, your voice is my favorite sound in the world. Ooh la la. Ay, 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 ay. Cancer, you are the best part of my day. Cancer. Ooh la la. So this person may see you on their day-to-day, or it's just, perhaps it could be a work environment, study environment, a neighbor. Ooh la la. Thank you, Cancer. Right, moving on to Leo now. So Leo, let's have a look and see what's in store for you now, Leo. Okay? Messages for Leo. Messages for Leo. Messages for Leo. What does he or she think of me? Right, Leo, we have our connection is undeniable. It's undeniable, the connection. Leo, we have you are my anchor. You are my anchor. So they have a lot of respect for you. There's definitely the energy of the Strength card coming through. Look at this, Leo. Someone wants to tell you that they were wrong. I was wrong. Again, taking ownership, accountability. Leo, I miss your smile. I miss your smile. Leo, you will always be my baby, my love. So Leo, this person has a lot to tell you. Okay, take the message where it resonates. All right, moving on to Virgo now. All right, let's have a look for Virgo and see what messages are in store for Virgo. Messages for Virgo. Messages for Virgo. Ooh, we have a bit here for you, Virgo. Virgo, I find you so attractive. Virgo, they find you so attractive. Okay. Virgo, You are my greatest joy. Ooh la la. Virgo, you are the melody in my life's song. Virgo, I see you. I see you looking at me, Virgo. Okay? This person, I feel like this person, they've noticed, okay? The grass, Virgo, the grass is always evergreen on your side, Virgo. Ooh la la. Ay, 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 ay. Virgo, our love is a beautiful adventure, okay? Virgo, this is how they see you. Your love life, they see your love as a beautiful adventure. Virgo, your smile lights up my world. Your smile lights up my world, Virgo. Virgo, I adore your quirks and your flaws. So they enjoy everything. Okay? Virgo, you are my rock. You are my rock, my love. Ooh, Virgo. Take the message where it resonates. Right, moving on to Libra now. So we're moving on to Libra now. Okay? Moving on to Libra now. Let's have a look and see what's here for Libra. Messages for Libra. What does he or she think of me? Ooh, okay, we have you. You are so sexy. You are so sexy, Libra. Ooh la la. Libra, I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. Libra, I want to slow dance with you, Libra. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Libra, I value our connection. Thank you. Take the message where it resonates, Libra. Right, we're moving on to Scorpio now. Scorpio in the building. Okay, messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. What does he or she think of me? Okay, we have Scorpio. We have I want to make you feel special. Ooh la la, Scorpio. Scorpio, I'll always support you. Scorpio, your presence is a ray of sunshine. Scorpio, every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. Every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. Scorpio, you're my best friend and my lover. Ooh la la, Scorpio. Take the messages where it resonates. Ooh wee. Right. Moving on to gonna be moving on to Sagittarius now. Sagittarius in the building. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, we're gonna look and see what messages want to come through. What does he or she think of me? Messages for Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. 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 Let's have a look for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, we have I want this union to grow consistently. Ooh la la, Sagittarius. They want it to grow consistently with you. Sagittarius, I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry I hurt you. Sagittarius, you are my sunshine on rainy days. You are my sunshine on rainy days. Sagittarius, your kindness is a gift I treasure. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, I want to show you my higher self. I want to show you my higher self. So they've got a lot of respect and value you, and they want to show you, okay, that they want to show you that who they really are. So take the message where it resonates, Sagittarius. Now we're moving on to Capricorn now. So Capricorn in the building. Okay, Capricorn. So Capricorn, we're gonna have a look and see What messages want to come through? What does he or she think of me? For Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. We have a few coming through. Thank you, Capricorn. So Capricorn, we have, my intuition is telling me you know how I feel. Ooh la la, Capricorn. Capricorn. The message that's coming through is, could you be what the Page of Pentacles that we saw in the reading? Okay, for pile 3. You are the love I've been searching for. You are the love I've been searching for. Capricorn, our love story is written in the stars. Our love story is written in the stars. Capricorn, I'll always be there for you. I'll always be there for you. Capricorn, I want to have a slow dance with you. Ooh wee! They want to have a slow dance. I feel like it's a slow and romantic, just embracing one another, feeling good. Again, we're going to keep it clean and classy. All right, Capricorn, take the messages where it resonates. Moving on to Aquarius now. Aquarius, let's have a look and see what's in store for you. Ooh la la. Juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. Okay. So, Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. What does he or she think of me? What does he or she think of me? Thank you, Aquarius. Aquarius, we have, I can't wait to see you again. So someone is just reminiscing, I can't wait. I just can't wait to see you again, Aquarius. Aquarius, we have, let's create more beautiful memories together. So someone wants to create beautiful, I feel like it's beautiful, romantic, loving memories together. Ooh la la. It's giving me 10 of Cups energy. What is it giving you? Put it in the comments down below. Aquarius, I'm ready to make things right. So perhaps this could be the energy that was coming from pile 1, Aquarius, the star. Okay, it was your energy. Okay, so do have a look if you haven't looked already. Ooh la la. Aquarius, you are the love that I've been waiting for. You are that love that I've been waiting for. Ooh, there's definitely a lot of confessions coming through. Aquarius, take the messages where it resonates. Thank you, Aquarius. Now we are moving on to Pisces. Pisces in the building. Pisces, we're going to have a look and see what reading, what intuitive gems, okay, wants to come through in this reading for you. So messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. What does he or she think of me? Ooh, we have quite a few here. Pisces, I love you more each day. I love you more each day, Pisces. Pisces, our bond is unbreakable. Our bond is unbreakable. Pisces, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Pisces. And I feel like it's coming from the bottom of their heart, Pisces. Pisces, I want to be there. I want to be there for you and only you. Oh la la. Pisces, thinking of our memories just warms my heart. Just warms my heart, Pisces. Pisces, I can't imagine my life without you. I can't imagine my life without you, Pisces. Pisces, your laughter is the sweetest melody to my ears. Your laughter is the sweetest melody. So Pisces, take the messages where it resonates. Okay, because you got some juicy messages. Ooh la la. And to the collective, check your sun, check your moon, and your rising for these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. So thank you for all of your love and support. Big up yourselves. If you haven't given us a thumbs up, okay, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe, okay? And do click on that notification bell so you always get a notification when we upload, okay? So big up yourselves, okay? And see you on the next one. And do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, big up yourselves and Wagwan.